Have you ever been so consumed by something? Sometimes you see that in couples that fall in love. They're so consumed with each other and they can't help but talk about how marvelous the other person is. Sometimes we're consumed, I know myself, I'm consumed with the desire for coffee early in the morning. And sometimes we're consumed with a lot heavier things. Maybe we're in debt, maybe we're struggling, maybe we're consumed with other people think of us. Sometimes maybe we think our life is just a compilation of other people's opinions of us. But it's interesting to think that Jesus Christ is not consumed with any of the darker things. He's not consumed by the paltry things. He's consumed about his Father and his Father's house and those whom he loves. His whole life is about an outpouring of love. I don't know where you find yourself this Lent. It's about, the third weekend, and maybe those resolutions that you started on Ash Wednesday have fallen by the wayside. They were a lot more difficult than you thought. And it's so easy for us at this time just to kind of sit down and say, oh, forget it. Why bother? I think oftentimes we forget that Lent really actually isn't about us. It's about an encounter with Christ. And so God gives us these healing tools of prayer, fasting, and almsgiving to heal our relationship with Him in prayer, to heal our relationship with ourselves, where we're broken within ourselves with fasting, and to heal our relationship with others in almsgiving. They're gifts. They're not ends in themselves. They're gifts of encounter. So what's consuming you right now? Do you feel down? Are you still looking for something else, maybe more in your life? And this is exactly where Jesus wants to encounter us. Many times about this time during Lent, I think the best thing we can do is to keep our focus on Christ, to ask God to come and gaze upon us and to say, Lord, please come find me, come heal me, come seek me out where I'm broken and lost. This Lent is not about us taking on these things for ourselves or picking ourselves up and making ourselves righteous, but allowing Christ into all the areas of our life that are broken so He can raise them from the dead. So wherever you find yourself, whatever's consuming you, allow Christ to come pick you up. Allow Him to consume you and pray to be consumed by Him and His beauty, His kindness, His goodness, and His everlasting love.